How to send Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up PayPal, and once you open up PayPal, you should be logged in and you should be finding this interface. Now, from the given interface, in the bottom you should be finding a home tab, and on the second you should be finding finances. So go ahead and tap on the second one. And once you tap on it, here you will be getting a balance. So all you gotta do is from balance, switch over to the third option called crypto. This one right here. After you go over to crypto, on the very first option, you should be finding the option called Bitcoin right under the available balance. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be getting the Bitcoin value and everything here. So in order to send, what you can do is simply tap on this arrow right beside the cell. You can see a arrow side by side. Go ahead and tap on that option. And from there, you should be finding option called send. So go ahead and tap on send BTC on the first option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to paste in the address of your Bitcoin wallet under this section. So go ahead and paste it right here and click on it. After you have selected that, you may select up the amount that you would like to type in. Go ahead and type in the amount that you would like to send and tap on the next in the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, in order to go on with the further process, you need to enter your security code. Go ahead and verify that code and tap on submit. Once you do that, here you will be finding this option. Now you can review and send. Confirm that you want to send by tapping on send now on the screen. And then once that is done, you will be able to send Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.